front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening device's settings. Now scroll down to click on security and privacy. Following that, scroll down again to tap on device unlock and pick screen lock over here. Now it's time to decide which password type you wish to use: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Wherever you decided after tapping on it, wait 5 seconds to choose next in important notice pop-up. If you change your mind, you don't have to go back, just click on use a different password type over here and click on one of those: 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Now you can finally create your login method. Repeat it to confirm it. And decide if you wish to enable and set up fingerprint right away by choosing enable in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen, or hitting cancel to do it later. Now, if you selected pattern, you can click on this switcher next to show track to disable or enable this option. When you're ready, just go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!